Hey everyone, it's Nate here with Outside Cleaners. I'm on Cape Cod, Massachusetts, where this afternoon I'm going to be cleaning a bunch of white vinyl or plastic fencing. Now, it's not just dirty in the normal way. You know, yes, it's got algae and some road grit and pollen and stuff like that, and I'll clean all that off in my normal ways. But this also has a great deal of really unsightly rust stains. What's happening on this property is there is a well on property. The well water has a lot of iron in it, and when the irrigation system sprays the yard down, sprays everything to make the grass grow, in a lot of areas it overshoots. Now this property is near the water, so wind could be a factor, but the net result is that a lot of the fencing around the property and different posts, mailbox posts, and even some trees on the property have these rust stains, whereas the water with iron in it dries, and in our seaside environment the iron turns to unsightly rust, and this is kind of ugly. So it's important to realize that the rust stains are not going to wash off by like pressure. You're not going to scrub the rust stains off, you're not going to blast them off. You need a chemical solution. There's a lot of different ways, a lot of different chemicals that can address a rust stain in my industry, but in most cases, the first option or the easiest option to try out is any chemical with the active ingredient or the primary ingredient of oxalic acid. The oxalic acid, in layman's terms, basically strips away rust stains without damaging the surface that you're cleaning. So what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to buy any of those fancy off-the-shelf products. I'm thrifty, as I'm told, I'm thrifty. So I'm just going to use oxalic acid powder, and I'm going to mix that with water in a pump sprayer. I'm going to mix half a cup of oxalic acid powder to 1 gallon of water. And that's going to be my solution for removing this rust stain. So let's get into it. This is, it's pretty straightforward, but there are a couple key points. First of all, wear a respirator, not a paper like particulate filter. Wear a cartridge filter appropriate for spraying this type of acid, because you don't want to breathe this stuff in. Secondly, I'm going to keep not only the surface that I'm cleaning, but I'm going to keep all the surrounding surfaces wet with water until I am done and walking away from a clean fence or clean post or whatever I'm cleaning. The important thing to be aware is that you don't want to let oxalic acid solution dry on anything. You want to keep the oxalic acid solution applied and wet until you're rinsing it away with water. I'm also gonna, as I almost always do in my business, I'm gonna wet down the surrounding area with water so that I don't risk burning or damaging the grass or the decorative plants or anything like that. Wetting things down with water sort of pre-saturates the vegetation, so it's less likely to absorb or be damaged by anything that I'm spraying. So those are the three things to keep in mind. Protection, keep the surface wet, and keep the surrounding area wet and saturated. All right, let's get into it. I'm using my trusty pump sprayer here. Again, half a cup of powder or thereabouts. It does not have to be perfect. About half a cup of powder to a gallon of water. I'm going to shake it up good. I sometimes use the little power washer wand in this type of container to agitate the solution, make sure I get good dilution. Again, I'm pre-wetting the area, the grasses, the surface, all of that. And now I just spray the oxalic acid on, and I'm doing my best not to overspray, put it on target. I'm gonna keep it applied. I'm going to keep it wet with oxalic acid solution. So on a hot day like this, I'm going to circle back every couple minutes, make sure it's not drying. Now this stuff, this rust stains does not instantly disappear. Okay, it's not like washing off, dirt from a car's fender. You need to let it soak, let it sit. But time and keeping it wet will yield results. The results might not be completely uniform. So there's going to be some areas that were extra rust stainy that I need to go back and, apply to more, and that's okay. So I'm gonna just keep applying. I'm gonna let time do its thing. I'm gonna keep the surface wet with oxalic acid solution, and I'm gonna keep the surrounding surface wet with water. And I'm not gonna stop until things look like this. Now, couple points to keep in mind. Oxalic acid is not harmless, so I'm gonna prevent it from being on bare metal. I'm gonna prevent it from getting onto glass surfaces. And if it does get in on any of those, I'm gonna rinse it off with water right away. So if I'm working around those surfaces, I'm gonna pre-wet any bare metal or glass surfaces before I even start spraying the oxalic acid. That's how I address rust stains probably 90% of the time. As I said, there's other ways to go about this, but that works for me. My customers are happy. It's easy, it's affordable. Done. Hope that helps somebody. Bye for now.